Hello friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how can we set up personal password in TeamViewer application. At first, I starting my TeamViewer application. We all know, TeamViewer is most favorite application for remote support. Now go to the settings option. After this click on advanced, and show advanced options. Now, scroll down below, and we can see personal password options. If we set this personal password, then anyone cannot access my device by TeamViewer without this password. Now, type a acceptable password, and confirm password, before OK. Confirm password again. Click on OK. My personal password setup is done. Now, anyone cannot access my device without my TeamViewer personal password. For remove TeamViewer personal password, go to the settings options. Again go to the personal password options from advanced. Just remove all password, and click on OK. TeamViewer personal password removed. If you go to the personal password options again, then you cannot see any password. Type new password and click OK for set again. I hope you can understand. Friends, please, subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button, for new and updated technology-related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and stay with us.